Alright, this is Belleair Bluffs 264 Overbrook. This is post jet clean. So we are starting at the city junction, which is actually under the street. So we're starting at the quote-unquote tap and pulling back. And at all these joints, it was just massive roots. You'll see a couple little tiny little stragglers here and there, some root carnage, but what a difference. Probably just got done watching the before video, so the after video is going to be quite a big change, big difference. A lot of these junctions here the roots were so bad the camera would just barely pass through them. Old clean out. See some of the thicker roots right there. Pausing at the junction so you can see they're all nice and clean. Hey, it's recording our sound, just as a heads up. But we're done, it's beautiful. You want to see it?
No, I saw the other one.
Yeah, this was big difference. It looks awesome. I'm just recording it so we can show that we did it, and then we'll be out of your hair.
Well, should I run any water to test anything?
Absolutely. If you can, let me run the camera back up under the house.
Okay.
And then, do you have showers inside or tubs? Or both?
Both.
Yeah.
But you know what always had triggered it before was the monster.
So what, you want to go ahead and start filling it up?
Yep.
Go for it.
It's warm when you start working.
So now I'm running back under the house, or towards the house. Just trying to get to the cast before she starts running water, and then I'll pull back and pause like I was just doing all the way out to the tap. There we go. So you see all the joints are nice and beautiful. Coming through that bend that's going around the back of the house. This one had a bunch of roots. I remember that guy right there. Hello. Got a tiny... No, just one little one. So there's a tiny little crack in the pipe. That's right where they put the clean out in. That's right here. Everything else looks beautiful. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video, and then we will test the flow.